Welcome to Temple Builders Carpentry. Temple Builders, we problem solvers. Temple Builder safety first. Okay, today Temple Builders, we talking about some electrical, okay, particularly single pole switching circuit. We can call this circuit 1. All right, so the most common single pole switching wiring arrangement is when the electrical power feed is brought to the switch and then the cable continues on to the lighting load. So if you look right here, this is our switch. It's called a single pole switch. So in this diagram, this is our wiring diagram. Okay, now this is our cabling diagram. So if you look right here in our wiring diagram, it says 120 volt feeder or a feed line. Okay, this is coming from our power source. So it comes from our power source. This cable, okay, goes into our non-metallic box. And look, our wire, our hot wire right here is feeding our switch. Okay, this is your most common type of wiring arrangement. Okay, so I want you to follow these steps when installing a single pole switch for a lighting load with the power source feeding the switch, as you see in this example. Okay, so at the lighting fixture box, which is right here, connect the bare grounding conductor to the grounding connection of the lighting fixture. Okay, now this is our grounding conductor. Now you need to pay attention and listen to when I say grounding and grounded and ungrounded. Okay, ungrounded would be your hot. Grounding is your right here copper wire. Okay, and your grounded is your neutral wire. Okay, or I meant to say your bare copper wire right here is your grounding conductor. All right, now at the lighting fixture box, connect the bare grounding conductor to the grounding connection of the lighting fixture. Okay, if the fixture does not have any metal parts that must be grounded, simply fold the grounding conductor into the back of the box. Do not cut it off. Remember that a non-metallic box does not require the circuit grounding conductor to be connected. Okay, so you see right here in this example, the grounding conductor is folded in the back of the box because we're using a non-metallic, this is a plastic, okay, outlet box. Now, at the lighting fixture box, connect the white insulated grounded, you heard that, grounded connector to the silver screw terminal or wire identified as the grounding wire on the lighting fixture. You see right here, this is our silver screw terminal. So we using our neutral, or as was stated, our grounded conductor. Okay. At the lighting fixture box, connect the black hot ungrounded conductor to the brass screw or a wire identified as the ungrounded conductor on the lighting fixture. Right here, you see our brass screw? This is our ungrounded terminal. Okay? At the switch box, here's our switch box over here. Connect the bare grounding conductors together and using a bare pigtail, connect all the grounding conductors to the green grounding screw on the switch. See that green grounding screw right there on the switch? So here's our pigtail. So you take all our grounding conductors and pigtail them with our wire cap right here. And you have one leg that's right here on your green terminal that's on your switch. Now, if you've been paying attention to the procedures, you see with our light fixtures, we started with our grounding conductor first. So we're connecting our grounding conductors first on our devices. Okay. Now, remember that a non-metallic box does not require the circuit grounding conductor to be connected to it. Okay, Once again, see right here, non-metallic. We're using a non-metallic box. At the switch box, connect the white insulated grounded conductors together using a wire nut. And that's what you see right here, okay? We're connecting our neutral together using a wire nut, okay? Or what's called our grounded conductors. At the switch box, connect the black hot conductor in the incoming power source cable to one of the terminal screws on the single pole switch. Okay, I'm going to say that again. At the switch box, connect the black hot conductor in the incoming power source cable to one of the terminal screws on the single pole switch. See this? Here's our power source cable coming in, and we're connecting one of the wires to our terminal screws. One of the wires on our terminal screw right here on our single pole switch. At the switch box, connect the black hot conductor in the 2-wire cable going to the lighting outlet to the other terminal screw on the single pole switch. So now we're going to use this black conductor, okay, our hot, and we're going to connect it to our other terminal switch. All right. So this is a common type of wiring arrangement, okay, for a single pole switching circuit. Now, I'm gonna have another video talking about another method of how to wire up a single pole switching circuit. So if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the notification bell, become my apprentice. Temple build.